Well, a lot of people ask me that question. Let's first talk about why do you think you can get an expunction? There are some cases that can never be expunged. This is a very complex area of the law. I mean, I get it. You've probably seen something on the internet or heard someone talk about, I went to the courthouse and filled out a file and my case got erased. It's really not that simple. Do you realize that there are at least 5 to 7 different statutes that apply to expunctions? There are expunctions for various types of crimes. There are expunctions for convictions. Again, there are some cases that can never be expunged. There are things that go on in the criminal system, for example, doing a deferral in a domestic violence case. Some DA's offices make you agree to receive that deal that you cannot have your case expunged. An expunction takes quite a bit of time and it goes through several state agencies. Really, you'd be surprised how complex it can be. Now, I'm not saying that you can't go down and expunge a misdemeanor marijuana charge you had 15 years ago. You might very well be able to do that, but there may be many charges that you could have expunged. There are limitations on time frames when several crimes may have been committed or dismissed. Mistakes get made in the expunction process. If you ask for an expunction under the wrong law, you may be denied. If you ask for an expunction of one charge when there were several charges, you may get that one expunction, but forever miss the opportunity to get the rest of those things taken off your record. A good general rule is you're only entitled to one expunction in your lifetime. So you really need to make sure you're doing that expunction right. You know, lawyers have to study these things, and quite frankly, sometimes the forms we have to fill out can be confusing. We have to consult the general statutes, the laws passed by our legislature, to make sure that we even do these forms right. We have to follow up with the clerk's office to make sure the forms get to the proper places. Sometimes the expunctions get lost. Sometimes they come to a judge who delays signing them for whatever reasons. Sometimes they come back and they've been denied improperly. It's really important to get someone who understands the criminal system and works in that system every day to help you make the right decision about getting that expunction. Now, I'd be the first to tell you, if it was a simple matter and you could do it yourself, I'd just say, go fill out the form, the clerks will help you, and that's that. But there can be very many complex areas where you end up doing more damage than you could do good for yourself by messing up those forms or filling out the wrong way. We do expunctions every day at Fanney Law Office. We handle expunctions in Wake County. We've been doing it for 27 years. We understand what needs to be done. We'd like to help you if we can. So give us a call, 919-617-7009.